May I know where have you identified the single plot of land?
The joint inspection committee has been done between the forest department and the market department. And also the report has been submitted to the test committee and is yet to be examined because so many land. We have to see which is the best place in the best land for dumping the garbage.
We, the District Council, as per my knowledge, we have executed an agreement with the District Council and the Joint Municipal Board on 1st August 2017 for the land in the land at Mangkajai, which is for about 20 years. The agreement was for 20 years, and this agreement is not only between the District Council and the Joint Municipal Board, but it also been vetted by the Urban Department of Meghalaya. So may I know from the Honourable, has you scrapped this agreement which has been signed on 1st August 2017 or not?
Regarding the agreement, the dumping of garbage was stopped due to the activation or proposed by the NGOs.
As per we have agreement, we have provided in the last agreement signed between Joint Municipal Board and District Council. I think the disposal of waste has been going on for about 2-3 years, and there has been no problem. The problem is that in the past 2 years, past 1 year, there is rampant dumping of garbage in that area. But as per the agreement, if I remember, as per the agreement, is that the Joint Municipal Board has to construct a fence that I think has been constructed, and they also has to provide a approach road, which has not been done. So now the case is that since because of the fault of the Joint Municipal Board, they didn't provide the road to the dumping place, and the people who didn't dump the area in the roadside. So now what happens now? Because some opposition, because of that, because of the failure of the Joint Municipal Board, some people are agitating against it. Now we as District Council, now again they come to District Council. The District Council is, the land of the District Council will be provided to be a dumping ground for all the waste. Now finish Mangkajai. Now we will find another place. And after dumping some more waste in another District Council land, again some agitation will happen. When it's not our fault. We have only signed an agreement with them for 20 years, for 2017, now 2017, 27, 37, 2037 they should come there. Now, when some people agitate, now they will come again, they ask for another land to support. And we will suppose we draw somewhere, in the tree somewhere, again people will agitate. So now, are we this council, the land of council are a dumping place of all this thing, or dumping place of all the garbage? When we only execute agreement, when it is their fault. It is their fault that they provide the road. If there's a road, I think 2-3 years, there's some agitation when we start also, this dumping place. But through proper talks and negotiation, they allow. But the problem why the people agitate is because the municipal board doesn't provide a road, a proper road to the dumping place, and people tend to throw the garbage everywhere. So my question here, are we discussing a place, the land of council are a dumping place of the garbage? Now one more, after this, then one more, so people then will find another place, and the whole of the area here, the land of council will become a dumping place. I don't know. Are we to be the land of council to be provided just dumping? We can do plantation, we can do so many things there. I don't know another number. Or should we stick to the agreement which we have signed in 2017?
This is because the municipal board has not done the asphalt agreement, like construction of road and wall in the dumping place.
And actually the agreement also they have agreed that the Joint Municipal Board has agreed to get the place to start to get the clearance from the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board. So what are they going to do? So I just want to raise the issue with the EC. But are we to just provide any land here and there and down the place? Thank you.
At present, we are just searching the place to dump the garbage. but the steering committee has already decided that the municipal board have to fulfill what agreement signed between the municipal board and the council. Suppose if we are agreed to dump all the garbage of municipal in the work area also, but we have to buy a strong agreement between the municipal and the council. Otherwise, we will not allow them as they have done in the previous year.
That's why I was sincere and replied that we have already has an agreement. Agreement we already have now. Why don't we stick to the agreement? The agreement is very binding on them. Instead of them buy land or purchase to build new works, new place, why can't they build that? Build that and then make it proper and then fencing all of them. Why destroy all the place for council land? Stick to the agreement because it's valid till 37. You can stick to that and let
Mr. Also, at the same place, they are trying to stick and all open the municipal to proceed the work and construct the store. But as far as the movement also, they didn't allow us to dump the garbage in that area. So that is why we since we have another place, so that we are searching to dump in remote area.
When will the state committee regular the appointment council agent please for identifying, detecting the illegal trading by non-tribal commercial vehicle on that same business illegally without valid trading license for its open road checkpoint station. The answer here, preparation and processing research. Why I mean such a matter, to make supplementary question. How much time can one for year for preparation? You need under processing that everyone
It will be the committee that the Dow pandemic yang menjadi tahu dan tidak mungkin pulau atau tidak dengan verbo kuda ia dan tidak yang menjadi penduduk itu pada kewila manu tip hadukat pun kita darah tahu hak yo semua yang jadi berprotokol yang dibuat cari ketelah kali dan ini dapat kali mesti mengui bahwa proses mereka teman-teman ada titik yang benar yang kita lakukan pun boleh dari titik yang ada permission dan boleh dari itu boleh semangat. Pada titik pun tersebut dan kita report bahwa kali ada lockdown terdekat ini tidak baik tempat itu baik dari boleh dari election dari apartment.
In regard to the funds that have been received, the total amount received to date is 6 crores in the 2 lakhs and 3,000 only.
Total local bodies, franchise. And it's directly stated in the guidelines that the state government has to hold this fund maximum only for 10 days. Now the part which has been released to us now for a long time. Now this 6 crore has been meant for us, but the government has hold this amount for such a long time. And another local ST committee, do they ask for the interest part which we need to get? So did ST committee ask for the interest portion of this fund for us?
That we do. We are also looking at any means of hold the net. We just need the money net. since like as per the guidelines, like they are allowed to hold for 10 days, but then like it has existed more, so we are moving ahead to seek further interest of the money they have.
Bahwa generally juga kali New York Association State Committee Storm sebelumnya kampung Honorable Ian dia interest dalam budin kesnya wah chairman sir pada State Committee dan bah Honorable Ian kami ini oleh smart for Islam New York interest dan one develop jadi konsekuensi berjanji yang Europe menimba menurut kita bukan senyawa yang terburuk di India